What's going on, chat? Let me get some things up here. Let's get going here. Where's Bitcoin at? 96? Okay. Can we add that to this? Equities. Fund indices. No. Government. FX. Crypto. Crypto. Hello. Okay, we'll take a look at that. That's fine by me. Trades 24/7. Let's lock in. I got my tea here. Let's get that ready. That over there. There we go. In for a few minutes. Alright, we'll go over trades up. We got that. So we'll go over maybe the market conditions and then look at TradesViz. There's time. We will look for some trades. What did I want over here? Oh. It's back to average, a little below average. Okay, close this. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn the light on. Alright, so we have the indices here. That good. I just put Bitcoin on here for fun. So it's up 9% for the week. Wow. I just went parabolic with Trump. The indices aren't even on there. So it kind of does this whoop, whoop, whoop. Here's the first whoop. It's got to come back down. And then it'll go back up again, maybe. Kind of these swoop-de-woo patterns. Interesting. Anyway, back here, it's up 9%. Russell's up 4% this week. The Dow 1.96. NDX 1.87. SPX 1.68. Does it show the overnight? Because there's the cash markets. Kind of a disadvantage when they don't trade the way Bitcoin does. Markets are up. So there you are. Up over the last 3 months, Bitcoin's up higher. Take a look at the sectors. Last 5 days, gold is up. XOP, OIH, so oil and gas producers. IBB, I think that's like home builders or something. XLB materials, KRE, utilities, energy, real estate, industrials, staples. Nothing was down really though. Everything was up. Uh, 3 months. Probably Tesla doing that. Financials. So we'll scan financials and communications again. If we do a scan in energy, I already have an energy play. Maybe scan consumer discretionary. Just do a general scan. KRE is surpassing SMH. That's interesting. Financials, ITB, communications, gold. Maybe gold's going for its last run here. I wonder if gold's by the dip. Just for an end of the year run. Let's take a look at it. XLE pulled it out. Alright, so of interest is probably things at the top. Gold. Kind of interesting. And maybe watch the shine come off Bitcoin for a minute. But knowing that the markets are up, so you kind of have to bet on that direction. So you probably have a better time doing things long than short, depending on the news, I guess. So yeah, we'll think about that bullish bias, I guess. Break even week. Take a look at the trades. So this is on the 22nd, so that was Friday. Let's also get the other thing up so I can record my trades, which I'm not doing my homework. Need to do my homework. Not just write a count. Go find it. See if I wrote it down. Let's take a look. I did. It was a VWAP trade. That's what I wrote down. There we go. This was on the 22nd as well. UDAO, VWAP. Could have stayed in it longer. There was no reason to exit this trade. No. There was no reason to exit. Unless I think I had a trail stop on it. That was the only reason. What did I say here? VWAP, they're all VWAP trades. Okay. This doesn't make any money. I don't know why I trade this. Oh yeah, this was my little... I should have just let it go. Yeah. I got chicken on this one. Too complex, I think. Nah, I should have just, because it went right back up here. I would have made money that day. Chickened out. It was on the 19th. I did, it was a VWAP trade. It was just a flat day of trading though. Didn't go anywhere. Like tomorrow, because you have the FOMC statement coming out tomorrow, it might just be flat. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, that's why I got into it. That's fine. So SDAO on the 19th. Also VWAP trade. It did not work out. $18. Did not write this one down. It was like a 9 or a 15 trade. VWAP trade. Okay. Didn't write this one down either. $18th. So it was like a VWAP trade. It was probably flat. Right, that's it. Enough capital risked. needs to go the other way. To my wins to be bigger than my losses. That's all I need. We just need to make these winners be bigger. Just need to do this like every day. $70 a day. Alright, let's look what we have on now. So we have Oxy and Disney. Disney's still flirting with 115. It is. I have another week on it, so if it gets to any kind of profit this week, I'll take it. Maybe roll it. I don't know where it'll be. Oxy is kind of like breaking even on both things. Still losing trade. I'd like to see if we can nurse this back to some level of... It says P&L on the year. I'm up. I could maybe close this trade and still be okay with just that P&L. But it'd be cool if it got back to even. Or I could roll the call. So we'll see what happens there. Also I get a little bit of a dividend, I think, at some point, so I kind of just want to hang out for that. Let's go ahead. That was like record time. I guess we'll fire it up and do some scans. So I'll take a quick stretch break and I will be right back. Alright, chat, let's do a scan. Okay. Alright, Tesla, let's get the other charts up too. Oh, what support it has down there. Anyway, let's Tesla. Had quite a day on Friday. Oh wow, it's back up to all-time highs. The sauce of crazy right here. Huh. Oh. I don't really know how to trade this. Someone let me know. Forward gap. Gap. And big momentum day, kind of came back. Maybe it has a little bit more in it if the market is strong. I did give about 50% of it back. What would be a target if we decided to something here? It is kind of in an uptrend. It was 37. It went up to 30. So maybe like 28. That is $4 more. Wouldn't be able to risk more than back down to here though. Yeah. We'll put it on the list. Okay. Walmart. Fucking serious. Chipotle. Peloton. So stupid. It's like Walmart. Check out Dutch Brothers. Okay. Gapped up on earnings, held earnings, 1, 2. Maybe if it came down to 48. This downside gap, though, is not the greatest. I'll keep an eye on it. Not super excited about it. Popular, though. Probably more popular than Starbucks. DraftKings, that's also interesting. EJX. Huh. And look at this trend. Missed this trend. What's going on out there? Oh shit. And should have bought right here, yo. Was telling ya. It was telling ya. Oh. I don't know what to do with this. I mean, it's a strong trend. But I don't think it's a buy. I think it's like you missed the train if you didn't buy it earlier. Not my train. And that doesn't even go down. Alright, those aren't that interesting. I'm not excited. Like, what do I need exposure in? I kind of need financials. It's kind of forming a cup. SoFi is like, I mean... What does this look like? Okay, so what's the next target then? So 17, $2 more. So you'd risk $1 to see if it would go $2. Or another $1. But somewhere in this range. So you'd have to let it go down to $14.75. So you'd want 17. Oh, this is just give this a try. We're gonna try SoFi. We're just gonna give it a shot. Let's do a cover call on SoFi. I don't know if it'll keep going up though. We'll see what happens on I need financial exposure, so we'll give that one a shot. I guess Maro would be like Bitcoin exposure, but that's already, I think, I don't know, to me that's like 100,000 was the dream and now you got there. Like, do you keep going or do you sell? I don't know.
Market data connection lost. Market data connection re-established.
Maybe on a pullback. Really wildly volatile though. I don't know. I don't know how to trade that. I can't wrap my head around that. So like on the 15-minute, we're trading the VWAP. So if we're looking at the daily, we gotta look at these moving averages. So like, we'd have to trade it from here. Wells Fargo. This is kind of at a tippy top. Oh, and it's just coming out of the rough. It's a fucking dollar. It was a fucking dollar, that literal fucking dollar. We have a little ways to go. We could probably get above this moving average. I feel like it needs a pullback though, or the average needs to meet up with it. Like, that's... We're a little extended here. We need to pull back a little bit. I think it's just too extended. So is SoFi. They're all like this. Be better off waiting till it hit at least here. Then it's gotten to the 83 overbought. See where it is and then see if I can get a good price on the call. Oh yeah, and then I'm looking at Amazon. See how that's doing. Yeah, I'm selling puts here. Yeah. Let me change this though. Selling puts. See if we can get a good price for them, see what they are. Otherwise, I'll just buy a call, let it go. TQQQ. We'll just trade that above VWAP. I don't know about S. I don't like trading those. I kind of want to trade the things that are positive. You just want to trade those. You don't really want to trade the other stuff. That's kind of my thing. What's another one? Oh, we can look at communications. Shop. Oh wait. You'd want it to hold this. I'll put Shopify on the list. Reddit's 158. We should start shorting this stuff. Like, some of this stuff is outrageous. Already have a Disney Play. Let's look at this one. Day trade, maybe. Went down on Friday. Downgrade. Downgrade. Until then, was having a great run. Could be a day trade though, something just to watch. All right, what are maybe some key levels on the futures? Alright, so we're looking at 6,000 again, see how it deals with 6,000. Going to all-time highs. You got in on that, right? So we're flirting with all-time highs. I guess we wait till it gets down here, like buy it when it gets in the gray. That's what we could say, buy on the gray. Buy on the gray. Buy on the gray if you can. The Russell. Maybe one to sell. Maybe coming back in down to here. If it doesn't gap up on the open. So maybe look at the Russell. Okay. And then NY. Look for it to come back, but still buy in the gray. That's what I would say. Look for it to come back, buy in the gray. Yeah, so it's so bullish. Yeah, pretty bullish out there. Looking to get some financial exposure, maybe through SoFi, maybe through another entity. Probably trading the Qs, looking from a VWAP strategy and the 915 strategy. Maybe try to trade some futures using the 1 hour, or using the 1 hour and these daily price movement ranges. See if we can get some trades in there. Let's see what's on the calendar. I know the minutes come out this week, the short week. There's no trading on Thursday. Market's half day Friday. Some of your premium benefits from that. We have PCE on Wednesday, Fed statement on Tuesday, so Monday probably sideways trading. I don't know, wouldn't be much, I think, because you have the meeting minutes and then you have durable goods and things like that. So, actually, no, it's not Tuesday, it's Wednesday. So, Wednesday you have durable goods, unemployment, PCE, and FOMC minutes. That's all the market's going to be waiting for, is that craziness. And there's a day off, and then there's Friday to continue it with no data on Friday, other than Black Friday numbers possibly. So that's kind of what we're looking at. I think that I'm good for now. Might jump on, and I got to get my short done, so I'll go and work on that. But remember, this is for educational and informational purposes only, not to be financial advice or recommendation. Trading is risky. Please do your own research. If you like what you see, make sure to follow us at Will's First. We always go live. So when we go live, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications. And thank you for stopping by if you did. And have a safe and profitable trading week, and happy Thanksgiving.